Pretty cool truck stop off of 10 and 65 in Demotte. Pretty well clean. Right next to the water park too. And prices ain't that bad for gas too. Cool pumps. Currently everybody else is in the 360s. And then there's a water park across the street. And then there's the expressway interchange. Nature old Demotte. Oh, shot. Wow. I wonder what deals we could find this week. Oh, there's Mr. Bailey's car. No, only Corvette parking only. There's Mr. Bailey. And his car. Huh. There we go.
Oh, that could be, yeah. I don't know. Then she got like 6.
Lots of dog treats, dog food. This stuff is $61 in the stores. So there's some big other stuff too for 20.